Hello, my friends. Today we're making this beautiful, awesome garlic sauce, homemade. Garlic sauce from scratch. Just follow me step by step. I can't eat this with, I put this shit on everything. I can do it like this if I want it. I can do it with chips. I can do it with seafood. This is an awesome sauce. Garlic sauce, homemade, step by step. Just follow me. Okay, my friends, and here are the ingredients. It's gonna be two large eggs, whole large eggs, a teaspoon of salt, table salt. I have cilantro here, but you can also use parsley if you want. And I have about a teaspoon of vinegar, white vinegar. I have about 6 to 8 garlic cloves and a cup of just regular oil. We're gonna blend all these ingredients in the blender here. So we drop the eggs in there. We're gonna use the fresh garlic, about 8, 10 cloves. The salt. We're gonna add the cilantro here. Again, you can replace cilantro with parsley if you prefer. That is absolutely fine. And I'm gonna use half of the oil at this point. Just half of the oil at this point. The other half I'm gonna add it with the vinegar in a little by little technique that I'm gonna show you in detail later. So half of the oil, half a cup of oil at this point, because I have a cup here, so I'm using only half of this oil right now, and I'm gonna blend this in the blender. Remember to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share with your friends and family. We're gonna blend this in the blender here. It's gonna have to be there for a while and high speed because we wanna make this kind of a foam stuff. Okay, it's gonna transform those eggs and oil into mayonnaise pretty much. That's the basic stuff. So we blend this pretty well. It's gonna take about a minute and a half in a kind of medium to high or high speed. And then we just make sure that it's all blended well, very good there. Make sure they're all blended. And we're gonna just keep going until we get to the right consistency for our sauce, with garlic sauce or garlic cream. It's pretty much an aioli, so it's similar to a mayonnaise taste. Now the other oil that I had, I'm gonna add it in now at this point with the vinegar. So I'm gonna add the vinegar just little by little like that. You cannot add these at once because you're not gonna get to the right consistency. Please follow the steps step by step. You add the oil and the vinegar. That second round, you're gonna add it really slowly until you get all the oil in there. But it has to be dripping it like that. Just whip it. You run out of oil, and that should give you the right consistency what you're looking for. And we're gonna try here. Just make sure that it's well blended. You don't see any cilantro leaves around anymore. And this is pretty much ready for the taste. At this point, I'm gonna stop the blender. I'm gonna try this for consistency. Test it for consistency. I want to make sure that I have the right consistency. If it's too runny, you're in bad shape. But if it's too thick, you can add a little bit of oil, and it will make it a little bit more runny. So I like this consistency for what I'm doing with this garlic sauce. So this is the right consistency for me. I like it this way. If you wanna vary that a little bit, that's up to you. And at this point, I'm also gonna taste it. This is really good. Ooh, I can't wait to have this with something else. You taste it for flavor. If you want to add more salt at this point, you can do it. And now you can put in any container that you have. I like these squeeze bottles because from this squeeze bottle, I can just put this pretty much over anything that I want. So you transfer that to a squeeze bottle like that. These squeeze bottles are super cheap. You can get them everywhere. And there you have it. Remember to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share with your friends and family. There you have it. We made this step by step. You and I, we did this step by step, my friend. Garlic sauce. There you have it. I'm gonna put a lid on this thing, and I'm just ready to try my garlic sauce. Homemade garlic sauce. You saw how easy it is. People don't realize how easy these things are. It's almost like making mayonnaise at home. You don't have to buy this anymore in the supermarket. So let's try it. No, 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 no. This is my secret sauce. I'm gonna keep this inside my jacket here. Nobody's touching my sauce. Garlic sauce, and we made it from scratch, step by step. Let's follow, baby. Garlic sauce, homemade.